Welcome back to DreamCarViews, your favorite spot for the most luxurious and mind-blowing motorhomes on the road. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most premium and stylish motorhomes of the year, the 2025 Newell Coach P50, finished in a stunning black and rose gold combination. Before we dive into this masterpiece on wheels, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the world's finest motorhomes. Let's begin with the exterior, starting from the front. The 2025 Newell Coach P50 immediately stands out with its bold and luxurious presence. The front of the motorhome is designed like a high-end luxury bus, featuring a massive panoramic windshield that gives the driver a commanding view of the road. The sleek LED headlights and chrome accents around the mirrors and grille add a strong, premium vibe. The black and rose gold paint shines beautifully under the lights, giving it that perfect showroom shine. The entire front side feels like a moving piece of art, designed to turn heads wherever it goes. Now let's take a look at the back side of this beautiful motorhome. The rear design continues the elegant flow with stylish vertical taillights, subtle curves, and smooth panels that blend form with function. The rose gold highlights around the taillights and bumper add a classy touch. A high-resolution rear camera is neatly integrated, adding safety while keeping the design clean. The shine and finish at the back are just as impressive as the front, luxurious, polished, and powerful. Stepping inside, we enter the spacious and comfortable living room. This area is designed for maximum relaxation and modern elegance. Soft leather sofas invite you to sink in and unwind. The ambient LED lighting creates a cozy and premium environment. Large tinted windows flood the room with natural light during the day and provide privacy when needed. There's a smart entertainment system with a retractable TV and surround sound speakers, making it a perfect place to enjoy movies or spend quality time with friends and family. The overall design of the living room feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. Moving further, we find a master bedroom. It offers a peaceful and private retreat, featuring a queen-size bed with premium bedding and supportive mattress. On each side of the bed, there are nightstands with reading lights. There's also ample overhead storage and wardrobe space to keep your essentials organized. One of the best features is the quiet and sound-insulated atmosphere, ensuring a restful night's sleep no matter where you are. It's not just a bedroom. It's a true comfort zone for travelers. Now let's explore the kitchen, which is fully equipped to handle all your cooking needs while on the road. The kitchen includes a glass-top stove, a microwave, a stainless steel sink, a large residential-style refrigerator, and plenty of drawers and cabinets for storage. The countertops are solid surface and easy to clean. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or a full meal, this kitchen gives you the tools and space to cook with ease. It's stylish, functional, and beautifully integrated into the overall interior. Next, we take a look at the bathroom, which is both modern and efficient. It includes a full-size shower with glass doors, a ceramic toilet, and a vanity with a sink and mirror. The bathroom is compact yet highly functional, with elegant finishes and practical storage options for toiletries and towels. It's clean, bright, and thoughtfully designed to provide maximum comfort during long journeys. Every inch of the 2025 Newell Coach P50 reflects top-tier craftsmanship and luxury. From its bus-like exterior to its five-star interior, this motorhome is a symbol of modern travel at its finest. Whether you're on a cross-country adventure or parked at a scenic location, the P50 offers everything you need: comfort, class, and convenience. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2025 Newell Coach P50, please hit that like button, subscribe to DreamCarViews, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss out on future luxury rides. Let us know in the comments what impressed you the most about this incredible motorhome. The living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, or that stunning exterior design. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Safe travels, and keep chasing the dream.